Power on. Click Prepare. Filament. Retract. OK. Waiting for the unloading to complete. Pull out the filament. Click Movement Temp 30 mm. Move Z, X, Y to lower the printing platform and position the nozzle to the center. Click Cooling. Turn on Model Fan. Wait for the nozzle temperature to drop to room temperature. Power off. Unplug the power cord. Unscrew the screws. Loosen the hotend bus fixing block. Remove the fan cover unscrewed to screws. Unplug the wiring. Remove the fan unscrewed to screws. Unplug the wiring. Remove the silicone sleeve. Use a socket wrench to remove the nozzle. Remove the hotend unscrew for screws. Remove the old strain gauge unscrewed to screws. Install the new strain gauge tightened to screws. Install the hotend tightened for screws. Insert the wiring. Pay attention to organizing the wiring placement. Use wire cutters to cut off the protruding filament at the pipe. Install the nozzle. Install the silicone sleeve. Install the fans. Insert the wiring. Tighten the screws. Organize the wiring on both sides to avoid crushing damage. Install the fan cover. Tighten to screws. Tighten the screws to secure the hotend bus fixing block. Plug in the power cord, power on. Click Settings, Self-check. Select All and start the test. Wait for the device self-check to complete.
Enter the Wiki official website to find more information.